Let's check this Python code snippet. We start by defining a size variable set to 5. This determines the initial size of our byte array. Next, we create a byte array named arranged by using the byteArray function and pass the size variable as an argument. This creates an array of bytes with a length of 5. We print the contents of the array using F-string formatting. Initially, it contains 5 zero values as byte arrays are initialized with zeros. We also print the length of the array, which is 5. We then modify the first element of the array arranged by 0 by assigning it the value 25. This demonstrates how individual elements in a byte array can be accessed and modified. We print the updated array, which now shows 25 as the first element. Next, we create another byte array named arranged by 1. This time we initialize it with a string Python using the string and encoding arguments. We specify UTF-8 encoding to convert the string into bytes. The resulting byte array contains the byte representation of the string. We then print the contents of ARR1, which shows the byte representation of the string Python. We access and print the second element of ARR1, which is the byte representation of the letter Y. We modify the second element of ARR1 by assigning it the value 121. This demonstrates that we can directly modify the byte values within the array. We print the modified array reflecting the change. Finally, we delete the second element of ARR1 using the del keyword and index 1. This removes the element at index 1 from the array. We print the array after deletion, which shows the remaining elements. Thank you for watching.